Hello, this is LaShonda Stevens with L. Stevens Financial Services, and I'm back with some more info. There are many different types of insurance. I'm going to focus on three major types of insurance or common types of insurance. Specifically, I'm going to go more into life insurance, but I just wanted to give a high-level explanation of what the common types of insurance are. First, which is what I'm going to delve in more, is life insurance. The second is health insurance, and then you could also have property and casualty insurance. Property and casualty insurance are things like car insurance, homeowners insurance, renters insurance. Those are property and casualty insurance. And I am a licensed insurance agent. I'm a licensed insurance producer. We'll get into what that means and how that affects the business. But life insurance is basic. Insurance in general is just an assessment of risk. So the insurance companies have actuaries that determine how long a person might live, whether they're female or male, how old they are, what are their medical conditions, what kind of medications they may be taking, and that will determine how long that person is expected to live. And because of that, and because they do that, they can assess the risk that an insurance company, a carrier or a payer, so to speak, would have for insuring a person. And essentially how life insurance works is you purchase a face amount of life insurance and you pay your premiums, whether that's a lump sum, monthly, quarterly, or yearly. And if something happens to you, if you pass away, and in certain circumstances, or you become terminally or chronically ill, your insurance company will pay out. They will pay to your beneficiary, or if you're still alive and it's a chronic or terminally ill situation, you will get the money, but your beneficiary gets the face amount after you pass away. This is important because if you're the person who's the breadwinner of your home and that person is primarily taking care of everything in the household, they're paying the mortgage, or even if they're just paying half of it, if that person passes away, you lose half of your ability to pay your mortgage. You lose half of your ability to pay your car payments and all of the things. So life insurance is a tool to build wealth. Life insurance is a tool to build generational wealth. Basically, there are two types of insurance. Either it's whole life or term insurance. Whole life is exactly what it is. You pay it for your whole life. It is permanent insurance. So whenever you take it out, as long as you're paying your premiums, you have it for your whole life or age 99. Term insurance is the other type of insurance, and it is temporary insurance. All of the different financial gurus will tell you that they think term insurance is the better one, but you can make the decision for yourself which is better for you, whole life or term insurance. Basically, term insurance is you have the insurance for a specified amount of time. So you may have a plan that covers you for 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, and even 35 years. And then at the end of that term, you renew it, just like car insurance. So at the end of the year, you want to keep your insurance with Nationwide, you would just renew it. Now with life insurance, that is important because in 35 years, you're 35 years older. And so your premium may change and different things may change in order, or your ability to even be eligible for insurance may change as well. So there are pros and cons to whole life versus term insurance. That's why it's important to speak with a licensed insurance person or a licensed insurance agent, a licensed insurance producer, to discuss your financial needs to determine which is better for you and your family. Depends on what your goals are. The other types of insurance I'm not going to get focused too much in, but just to give you some high-level information, health insurance is for people who don't have insurance or want more insurance, and you go to the doctor, you can pay your co-pays, you might have a deductible, you might have co-insurance, and there also might be policy exclusions. It allows you to go to network physicians at a contracted rate. So when I say contracted rate, if something is $1,000 in general, the insurance companies may negotiate with the provider to accept $800 versus $1,000. So being a member of a specific insurance company, subscribing to that insurance, being the subscriber, it allows you to access care at a discounted rate, essentially. So that's kind of like what health insurance is. And there are many different types. You can have individual plans where you can purchase those directly from the insurance company, like State Farm or Nationwide or whatever the insurance company is. But there are also employer group plans where if you are working for an employer, let's say you work for Google, and Google wants to insure its employees. Google may contract with Blue Cross Blue Shield, for instance, to insure its employees. And so when you come into the insurance or you get hired to Google, then you become eligible to participate in the Blue Cross Blue Shield plan that is an employer group plan through Google. So that's health insurance. You also would have property and casualty, which that's pretty straightforward. It's homeowners insurance. When you buy a home, you need homeowners insurance in the event of different things happening. There's flood insurance and things like that that might be included in homeowners insurance. Car insurance, everybody has to have car insurance. So car insurance policies are term policies, so you might have it for 6 months, 9 months, a year, depends on how your policy is written. Also renter's insurance, so you don't have to be a homeowner to be able to protect your property. You can still have renter's insurance, which would protect your property inside of your apartment in the event of theft, flood, and things like that. So those are the 3 common types of insurance: life insurance, health insurance, and property and casualty insurance. So what's next? More videos such as this, more educational tools, more informational sessions. Specifically, make sure you stay tuned for my lives on Instagram and YouTube, where I'll be answering questions. So yes, I'll have some Q&A sessions. So make sure that you're following me on Instagram at L Stevens Financial Services LLC. And I'm also on YouTube. So be sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell so that you can be notified whenever I'm uploading the next video.